Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the grain comments. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Overnight prices are unchanged. I think the beans ran into some pretty strong resistance at that 9-10 area on the nearby May contract and had some increased farmer selling. Market's still bearish and is still looking for lower prices. I'm thinking that the big South American supply will weigh on the market, and when we get the USDA March 31st report, they will show bigger stocks than last year here in the U.S. And they'll also show the farmer may plant a few more acres of soybeans than he did last year. Over the corn, we're kind of in limbo. We can't get over the 100-day moving average. There's just too much corn in the U.S. and not enough demand to bring it down. We'll also be watching the report. It should show more acres and equal to last year's record stocks. So the farmer has a lot of corn to sell going into the planting season. That could keep a lid on prices. Wheat's right in the middle of a trading range. There's too much wheat in the world, but we're watching the southern plains. Had some freeze conditions that might have nipped a few bushels off the crop. But more importantly, the long-range maps suggest it could be drier than normal in the southern plains. We have to kind of watch that. And the funds have a record short position in the wheat market, so it wouldn't take much of a weather scare to cover those shorts. Outside markets, we're just kind of waiting to see what the world economy does. There's a lot of optimism, but we have to watch the data to see if this rally in the stock market, copper, sugar, crude is justified, or if we ran into some places that we might see some profit taking and some selling. Other than that, U.S. weather long-term, next 2 weeks, looks like it's going to be normal weather for much of the Midwest. So we'll see if we can get that corn planted early. It's been too wet in the southern Delta area. We probably lost some corn acres there, and that probably could go to soybeans. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.